Hi, my name is Ben Potma. I'm 18 and I'm from Washington, D.C. This summer, I'm interning at We Uplift The World through On-Ramps to Careers. In just 2 weeks, I've jumped into CapCut, trimming clips, adding text overlays, syncing audio, and experimenting with smooth transitions. Every day I discover a new trick, whether it's layering music, tweaking clip speed, or even popping balloons. By the way, did you know that lemon skins contain a natural oil called limonene that degrades latex, so if you rub lemon on a balloon, it'll pop? As you can see, We Uplift the World has truly allowed me to explore my creativity. With Bijan's support and mentorship, each and every intern is empowered on their path to success where they can be a positive influence and build a new and better future. That's why we are calling on you to donate so we can continue giving young artists and creative entrepreneurs the tools they need to create sustainable and successful careers.